Still switching between a vacuum and a mop every time you clean? The DREAME H15 Pro Heat is designed to handle both faster, smarter, and more efficiently. This is a powerful wet and dry vacuum mop that combines strong suction with advanced cleaning technology. But what really sets it apart is the 185 degrees Fahrenheit hot water cleaning system, which helps break down grease, dirt, and stubborn stains with ease. And then there's the innovation, the GapFree AI robotic arm. It automatically adjusts to clean edges and hard-to-reach areas, so you don't have to go back and clean missed spots. Being fully cordless, it gives you complete freedom to move around your home without any hassle. It works perfectly on hard floors like tile, laminate, and wood, delivering deep cleaning while staying gentle on surfaces. Another major advantage is its self-cleaning system, which keeps the brush fresh and ready after every use. No manual effort required. The design is sleek, modern, and easy to use, making it ideal for everyday cleaning. If you want a smarter way to clean your floors, faster, deeper, and with less effort, this is a serious upgrade. Check the link in the description to learn more.